सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई यो युट्युब भिडियो क्लिपको लागि सञ्चालित यो क्लासमा स्वागत छ। Today we are going to read functions of legislative. Functions of legislative means व्यवस्थापिकाका कार्यहरू. In our previous period, we read what is legislative. You know well, legislative is a law-making organ of the government, but it does not only make the law, it does other functions as well. Today we are going to read all functions that are done by legislative organ of the government. I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points, and in those points also some sub points are written here. You must be careful towards these points also. First point is legislative functions. Legislative functions means व्यवस्थापिकीय कार्यहरू र व्यवस्थापिकीय कार्यहरूमा first one is making law. That means legislative makes the law. Second one is amending law. Sometimes it is needed to amend the law. Amend the law means बनेको कानुनको संशोधन गर्नु. कहिलेकाहीँ कानुन पुरानो भइसकेको हुन्छ, त्यति बेला त्यो कानुन संशोधन गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, केही मोडिफाई गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ, त्यही बेला यो प्रावधान राखिएको छ. There is a second point, amending the law. This right is with only legislative organ of the government. Third is passing the bills. Passing the bills. Bills means raw laws. कच्चा कानुन. Bills भनेको कच्चा कानुन हो. When these raw laws are passed by legislative with 2/3 majority, it becomes law and then it goes into the constitution. In this way, we read 3 points in legislative functions: making law, कानुन बनाउने कार्य; amending law, कानुन संशोधन गर्ने कार्य; passing the bills, विधेयक पारित गर्ने अधिकार. In the same way, second point, we are reading financial functions, वित्तीय कार्यहरू, आर्थिक कार्यहरू. In it, the first point is regulating country's finance. That means regulating and controlling the country's economical sectors. देशको आर्थिक अवस्थालाई नियमित गर्ने, नियन्त्रित गर्ने काम लेजिस्लेटिभले गर्दछ. Approving the budget. You know well that every year the government makes annual budget, but the annual budget is passed by the legislative with majority, and therefore it is the function of legislative. Next one is permitting the government to get revenue and spend it. Revenue, a kind of tax. The legislative organ of the government gives permission to the government to get the revenue, to get the tax and spend it also. Legislative ले नै सरकारलाई अनुमति दिएको हुन्छ विभिन्न प्रकारको करहरू उठाउन र त्यो करहरू खर्च गर्नलाई पनि अनुमति दिएको हुन्छ. In this way, we read 3 points of functions under financial functions. These are also functions of legislative. Then now let's see the third point. Third point is administrative functions. In administrative functions, that is प्रशासनिक कार्यहरू. First one is appointing the chief of the council of ministers. Appointing the chief of council of ministers means appointing the prime minister of the country, because the prime minister is the chief of the council of ministers. Then you must know देशको प्रधानमन्त्रीलाई मेजोरिटीको आधारमा बहुमतको आधारमा लेजिस्लेटिभले बनाउने काम गर्दछ. सेकेन्ड पोइन्ट इज सपोर्टिङ द गभर्मेन्ट विथ मेजोरिटी. Whatever party makes the government in the center has majority of legislative. Without the majority of legislative, no party can form the government, and therefore legislative support the government with majority. Questioning the functions of the executive. Next one. Questioning the functions of the executive means president, vice president, prime minister, deputy prime minister, ministers. Whatever they do, if their actions are good, that is good. If their activities are not good, then the members of legislative question them, they criticize them, they try to improve them. That is the right of the legislative. सरकारले यदि राम्रो काम गरेछ भने सराहना गर्छन्, केही नराम्रो काम गरेछ भने प्रश्न गर्ने, आलोचना गर्ने र सुधार ल्याउनमा सहयोग गर्ने काम लेजिस्लेटिभका मेम्बरहरूले गर्ने गर्छन्. That is the third point of administrative functions. And the fourth point is forwarding the vote of no confidence. If the executive does not work as the desire of the country, as the desire of the people of the country, as the necessity of the nation, then the members of the legislative can forward the vote of no confidence against the government and the government can be collapsed. भनेको यदि सरकारले जनताको पक्षमा, राष्ट्रको पक्षमा राम्रो काम गरेनन् भने लेजिस्लेटिभको मेम्बर्सहरूले सरकारको विरुद्धमा नो कन्फिडेन्स भनेर, भोट अफ नो कन्फिडेन्स भनेर चाहिँ अविश्वासको प्रस्ताव ल्याउन सक्छ. यदि अविश्वासको प्रस्ताव मेजोरिटीले पारित गर्यो भने त्यो सरकार ढल्न सक्छ. In this way, we read 4 points under administrative functions. There are also functions of legislative. Then, constitution amendment, संविधान संशोधन. That means I have already taught in legislative function also here. Then, if some laws need to be amended, to be changed, if sometimes new laws are needed to keep in the constitution, at that time the members of legislative pass the bill and they make new law. Not only that, even if it is needed, then they can change some laws which are there in the constitution. They can amend the laws which are there in the constitution according to the necessity. आवश्यकता अनुसार आवश्यक पर्यो भने देश काल र परिस्थितिलाई आधार बनाएर लेजिस्लेटिभका मेम्बर्सहरूले संविधानका केही कानुनहरुमा मेजोरिटीको आधारमा, खास गरेर 2/3 मेजोरिटी चाहिन्छ. यसमा 2/3 मेजोरिटीको आधारमा संशोधन गरेर चाहिँ संविधानको कानुन परिवर्तन गर्न सक्छन्, संशोधन गर्न सक्छन्. That is the fourth number. Then the last one is other function. In other function, I have written here forming special commission for important work. That means sometimes some important works are there in the country which are needed to be performed, to be done. Then at that time, the legislative form some special commissions. केही विशेष आयोगहरु, अर्गनाइजेसनहरु गठन गर्छ जसले चाहिँ महत्वपूर्ण कार्यहरु चाहिँ सम्पन्न गर्ने काम गर्छ. It is also function of legislative. In this way, we have read today 5 functions. Number 1, legislative functions. Number 2, financial functions. Number 3, administrative functions. Number 4, constitution amendment. Last one is other functions. In functions of legislative, you must try to understand these points in detail as I have explained. That's all for today. Thank you.